Alright, I got a Pioneer 400-7 and we pulled the side bolt out here and we're getting ready to put it in, but it won't align. So the trick to it, we've hooked a tie-down strap to the ceiling so that we can raise the lower control arm so that we have enough room in the slot to get this bracket back in. See that? Because we couldn't pull on that spring. So that's the trick to getting this little bracket, because he's got to line up in all three holes. You got to get all three holes lined up. And I'll show you what that looks like when we're done. The secret to getting this bracket on was actually to put the tie-down strap right there and then have somebody else with the old bolt pushing from this side while we push from this side. I use this big ugly pry bar right in this area to try to align all three holes, and then just tap on that head with a hammer and it finally went. And like I said, we had the old bolt on the other side too. We put it into position to try to keep this new bracket aligned with the lower control arm. So we put some blocks on there so we could get the jack to go higher.
Where's that?
Because the hole pattern is really tall on this, and you see this little swing arm piece here. That's what that bracket also bolts onto. So take the factory bolt out, got that one tight, and then this bolt right here will go down and then over into that piece to keep that track attached.